The Picking and Packing Efficiency Inquiry was introduced in the 2023 R2 release. The Picking and Packing Efficiency Inquiry can provide valuable insights into the outbound operations of fulfilling orders. Know who picked, packed what and when, how quickly, and how efficiently. Identify high performers and help team members requiring assistance to meet their objectives. As an audit trail to outbound picking and packing operations, this inquiry can be used as a tool to identify course corrections and set goals to improve performance. For the 2024 R1 release, new capabilities have been included. Wave and batch pick lists are now supported. The system now counts all the scanning operations performed by the picker or packer. This can be compared to the number of useful operations, which is the optimal number of scans or steps. As well, the number of errors made is now recorded and available in the inquiry. Every time the system provides an error message or validation, for example, if a user had erroneously scanned an item's barcode, an error message is shown with a request to scan the correct data. This error is counted. Start date time and end date time of each operation are now also displayed, providing warehouse operations with even more meaningful insights into picker productivity. To provide you the context of the improvements that have been made, we'll start by showing you what the inquiry looked like prior to the introduction of these new enhancements in the 2024 R1 release. Let's now see the enhancements with our demo. Here we are in the efficiency of picking and packing inquiry, where I'm expanding by day. Notice the date and time stamps for the start date and the end date. This is something new. We can now expand by pick list. So here I'm going to see the pick by shipment as well as the wave and the batch and the results grid. I can filter on the number of errors and look for those picks that have more than 2 errors. Here I'll clear the filter, and I can use this lookup to search for a particular shipment that I want to dive into and look at the picking productivity. I can also inquire and drill down for particular worksheet numbers. So notice that the batch and the wave are now supported. I'm looking into the number of errors here in this batch pick list. I can see the number of useful operations and compare it to the number of actual operations. Now let's take a look at a wave that I'm going to look at. So here I can dive into the details and the productivity of this wave. So here are a lot of brand new insights, enhancements added to this inquiry to provide our warehouse manager with a bird's eye view of all of the picking and packing activities in the warehouse.